Hey y'all, hi, this will be my first ever official YouTube video on trading. My name is Zan and I'm a 16-year-old and I just began trading like um what's it called? I began demo trading since this April, so it's been like April's like the fifth month, I believe. So it's been fifth or fourth month. So it's been like roughly eight 8 months or so. Uh, 8 months going to my ninth, and yeah, basically, um, I've been learning a lot, like through this trading journey, and it's been kind of rough and kind of fun at the same time. I've been enjoying the challenge a lot ever since I began learning how to trade, and ever since I got into trading I really liked the concept of trading. And I love the journey so far. I just love sitting in the charts, being able to predict where market direction is gonna go. However, as you can see in this trade, I lost. And actually, this video will actually be my first trade recap. But I've done a lot of trade recaps in the past, but I've all set those videos to private because those were only for me. It was like a journal. However, despite me setting the videos to private, I still like kind of don't watch them. So I'm putting my I'm creating this channel as like a trading journey for me, and to see how this trading journey ends up. And since I'll be posting them for real now and not setting them to private, I'll, maybe some of y'all can watch it. Maybe, just maybe, because this is my first video. Just maybe some people will watch it. I hope they do. So they can teach me. Maybe experienced traders can, teach me how to trade well. And yeah, I'm gonna this first video might be kind of boring because it's an introduction of myself. And basically, I'm a trader that learns from, this is pretty, cliche, but I learned from TJR. I already finished watching his bootcamp 1 and trading transformation. And then ever since I finished watching his bootcamp 1, I began to, demo trade after learning all his strategies and all the confluences to use to execute. I've been trading, demo trading right now, and after that I watched trading transformation, and then it's been like about a month or 2 months or 3 months, I don't know. I haven't uh kept track. And then now I'm watching the bootcamp 2.0. And um basically, this trading demo trading so far, it's been like a up and downside, but I'm still in profit. But this is just a demo trading. This is just a you know this is just a demo trading account. And I've traded real accounts before, but that's not like funded accounts, and those are actual real money that I put in. And back then, when I traded real accounts, is when I was following signals like a complete dumbass. I thought signals could keep me profitable, but ever since I lost, I was like down. I was like really, emotional. And ever since I was introduced to TJR through TikTok, if you don't know, it's kind of funny. It's kind of ironic. Ever since I was introduced to TGR through TikTok, I was, someone opened my eyes. TGR opened my eyes to, signals and non-benefit ways, non-benefit ways to trade and learn. Like signals won't actually help you in the long run. It'll just be bad in a way that even if you have a person that gives you like a really high win rate signals, like what if that person goes, like what if that person stops doing social media, like where's your form of money income, and how are you gonna make money then? So yeah, ever since I stopped trading a live account and stopped following signals, and after watching TGR, I've began trading demo. um I am trying to become profitable. Like I have like a demo account which has like $6,000, and I've made up to 5%, and I've looking to make to go up to 10% on the account. And I'm gonna try, after going to 10% on the account, I'm gonna try to do it again to prove that I'm profitable and not just lucky, so I can start doing my funded account. And so far, I've been losing lately, even though I'm still 5% up on the account. And yeah, that's about it. Right now, I would say my biggest issue so far is um daily bias. Like I can't get it down. However, after rewatching TGR's video again, I've kind of understood most of the concepts, because at one point I understood daily bias really well from bootcamp, and then bootcamp 1. But then, however, ever since trading transformation came out, TGR didn't really talk about daily bias in trading transformation. So like I followed the strategies he taught in trading transformation, and I think it's good. However, it won't keep me at a high level. So I think Bootcamp 1 has a lot more in depth guides onto like daily bias stuff. So I've rewatched it, the Bootcamp 1 daily daily bias videos, and I'm starting to understand it now. And yeah, I'll be in this video I'll be going through this trade. Hopefully people watch this video, cuz I would love to meet some traders that are experienced, and hopefully that learns same learns like the same concepts as me, so they can teach me, cuz I'm trying to be profitable too, and I really enjoy this journey. I know I really believe that I can make it using trading. And yeah, so enough of yapping. I'ma just go straight into the trade. Tell me if there's anything wrong, okay? Please. I'm trying to learn. So right, on the weekly we were bullish, and on the daily we were bullish as well. Wait. On the weekly we were bearish, and then on the daily we were bearish. Oh, I'm so stupid. It's my don't mind me. And then on the 4 hour we were bearish as well. So my confluence, my daily bias for the day was bearish. We were extremely bearish for on high time frames. And yeah, so as you can see, um at this at the time of the trade, this we formed a 4 hour fair value gap, a bearish fair value gap downwards, which, as you can see, price reacted greatly off of. However, on the 1 hour we were we were bullish. No, wait, we were bearish. Okay, so what I did was I marked out hourly highs. However, however, during market opened, we didn't price was really far from these hourly highs right here. Also, I forgot to mention, at the time of this trade, we didn't have high impact news. And oh yeah, Merry Christmas everybody. I forgot to mention that. Sorry, I should have mentioned that at the start. I forgot to mention. Okay, this is my first video. I'm really nervous. So like, at uh at today, which was Tuesday, I kind of took this trade in midnight because I have holiday, winter break. So and I live on the Asia side. So like my time is really different to the American time. And on the day, um we had no high impact news, so I was really looking for a trade. And at the time of market open, which was 9:30, price was really far from these hourly highs. So what I did was I went to the to a lower time frame, like the 30 minutes, and I saw these 30-minute highs right here. And as you can see, price swept these 30-minute highs, but I didn't get entry off here, so I had to entry here because price just swooped down, which you know and grab liquidity, resting liquidity, right here, these 30 minutes high. And this 30-minute high had was in line with these 30-minute was in line with these 5-minute equal highs, as you can see. And as I know, equal highs is a strong, you know draw on liquidity. And after price, as you can see, after price, uh after market open, which was 9:30, at around here, uh we can see it went about 50 pips and swept these 30-minute high slash 5-minute equal highs. And as you can see, we didn't get a good reaction. I mean, we did get a great reaction, but I didn't get a confluence to entry. I was looking to entry at about here. As you can see, if you could say, we kind of did inverse this fair value gap right here and broke structure to the downside here. But lately, I don't really like trading off of. I mean, I don't really like executing off inverse fair value gaps. And and yeah, I just didn't like entering off this fair value gap, so I kind of waited for a retracement. As you can see, get a uh we did get we did form a equilibrium, as you can see right here, which price reacted greatly off of. As you can see, we retraced back into equilibrium. And once we tapped in equilibrium, I looked for a breaker structure on the 1 minute to the downside, which happened here. So you see, we have these highs and these highs, and we broke structure on this candle. So I entered off this candle. My stops were my wait my stops were above, side a few pips above the equilibrium. And my first take profit was my first take profit. I didn't want my first take profit to be these lows, because like if I had my first take profit to be these lows, it would be like a 1-to-1, and that's kind of shitty in my opinion. So my first take profit was based of uh this 4-hour order block. You can kind of call this 4-hour order block. I mean, this 1-hour order block. As you can see, we dipped down this range of accumulation, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, as you can see, my first take profit was this range of accumulation. As you can see, we accumulated and then manipulated and distributed. I kind of learned that off TikTok. I didn't learn it off ICT. The PO3, was it? I think it's called the PO3. But basically, I learned it off TikTok. I didn't learn it off ICT, even though I kind of like ICT. I think it's pretty cool. because he goes really in depth into all these type of stuff. But that's out. I still respect TJR. I think his methods are really cool, and he keeps it simple, which I like. So my first take profit was this price of I call this an order block. 'Cause it was like we swept like. Anyways, sorry about that. I kind of got interrupted. Yeah. Anyways, um, so my first take profit was uh this this range of accumulation, or this 1 hour order block, or whatever you want to consider it. I kind of consider it order block. And yeah. So my first take profit was this order block, and my second take profit was the start of was the start of no, it was okay, it was the start of this hourly fair value gap. And yeah, my risk to reward ratio would be a 1.8. Yeah, 1.8 ish. And as you can see, price trailed my stop loss. I don't really know why, but yeah, I think it's because, well, we have these hourly lows right here, which was a strong draw of liquidity. I guess I could say that just got swept. Well, it was a 1 hour draw on liquidity that got swept. That got swept right now, and I'm expecting price to go lower. As you can see, I marked these hourly lows. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, if price went here, I would set break even, because it would. I was expecting price to break through these swing lows right here, and yeah, I guess I could say 30 minutes 30-minute highs slash 5-minute equal highs are weaker than hourly highs, because I learned from TGR that higher higher what's it called, higher time, higher time frame holds higher power. So I guess I should have waited. And plus we have uh bank holiday the next day, which is today. And since today is Christmas, price action would be kind of ass or bad. And I don't really see a problem with this trade. My entry was perfect. It was just unlucky that price trailed my stop loss. I was floating in profit for a while, but however, price still somehow, you know, trailed my stop loss, which was, it's okay. I don't really have emotions of this, because I feel like this is extremely normal. It's a normal thing. And yeah, that's about it for my trade. I just can't see like what I did wrong. Like, these are the, like, if I watched one of TJ's video, like, I feel like these are one of the trades that I'm happy to lose, because I followed all my plans perfectly, and price still somehow trailed my stop loss. And I'm assuming it's because tomorrow, the day after, was bank holiday and Christmas, so I could have expected price action to not be so good. But I feel like there's a reason to everything, right? So there's definitely a reason to why I lost, but I just can't seem to find it. But my bets are on bank holiday and Christmas for bad price action. If anybody's watching that took this trade, I wish that someone that took this trade and won. Maybe you bought, and please give me a analysis. If there's anybody watching, even if there's like anybody watching this video, please like give me your analysis on you know this trade. And I don't want to yap any further. And yeah, this is my first ever video. Peace out.